Today in data structures in C++, we are going to discuss the concept of linked list in C++. First of all, we have intro. So a linked list is the sequence of the items, or we also consider it as the objects, where every item is linked to the next. They are linked to another one through the pointers. Main are the pointers or links. So there are the two parts in each node. The first part contains the data, second part contains the address of the next node, and address part of the node which is connected to the next is also called link. So we have example here in figure 1. This is the linked list. A is the head and D is the null where we exit from it. So it's 0 cross 2005. Then data, we if they are all linked by the pointers. Arrow shows the pointer. So figure 2, in figure 2 we are seeing that linked lists are representation in the memory. So it shows the systematic diagrams of the linked list. Each node is pictured with two parts. The left part of each node contains the data and the right part represents the address of the next node. There is an arrow that shows the link from first node to the next node. Then we have the implementation of linked list. When we say linked list, we are talking about a singly linked list. There are the previous types of the linked list which we discussed below, but here we are going to implement a singly linked list. So there is the concept of the pointer and the structure. What structure data type is in the C++ language also. So how to access the structure members using that structure variables and the pointers. First of all, see the logical view of the linked list in the figure 3. Is the logical view. Head or start is known as the entry point. Also next we have the types of linked list. In types of linked list we have singly linked list, doubly linked list and circular linked list. Singly linked list or one-way chain. In singly linked list all the nodes are arranged sequentially. A node in the singly linked list consists of two parts, the data part and the link or address part. So data part of the node store actual information that is to be represented by the node, while the link or the address part of the node stores the address of its immediate successor. A one-way chain or a singly linked list can be traversed in only one direction. That is why it is known as one-way chain. In figure we can see a singly linked list. It starts but it not have ending point. So it's only a one-way chain. It start, then it's linked with the 10, then it's linked with 20, 30 and 40. Start, create a node with data, next insert a node with the data 40 at the end, and insert a node with data 10 at the beginning. Doubly linked list. In singly linked list, as each node contains the next node address, it doesn't have any record of its previous node. So however, a doubly linked list will apply in place of a singly linked list. As we all also know, each node of the first contains the address of its previous node of the linked list. So we can find all the address about the previous node by using the previous addresses stored inside the previous part of the each node in a linked list. So every node in the doubly linked list has three fields that are left pointer, right pointer and data, which we can see in the figure. Pointer, left data, right data, and in between we have data. So the he point will points to the next node. Left point will point to the node on the left side on the previous side that will hold the previous node address in the doubly linked list. So right point will point to the right side or the next node to the next node address in the linked list. Circular linked list. A circular linked list is one where there is no beginning or no end. A singly linked list can be made a circular linked list by simply storing the address of the first node in the linked list of the last node in the linked list. A circular linked list is shown in figure. It's in circle. When we reach at the end, then we again start from the first node. So we can traverse a circular linked list until we reach the same node from where we started. As we show in figure, circular linked list is shown. Start, then from first node to the last node, then again in circle from first to not last node, and in loop it's continuous.